Hello, this is has my robot key ready, and the topic of discussion is robot key Linux attack. Basically, this one is a Linux attack. Previously, I performed was a Windows attack. What I'm going to do in this attack, as I mentioned, the bash script payload. I have done a payload, I've created a payload, which is going to run on the cron job and steal shadow file and send the attacker. Basically, the concept is attacker has generated a script which is going to perform on the victim's PC to steal his shadow file, which contains a lot of passwords, and send it to the attacker just not only one time but continuously, because the script is going to be saved in on job and schedule itself for every 1 minute. Okay, let's jump into the module first. So in the introduction I mentioned that this attack emulated USB delivered malware. It contained a malware a payload that is still credentials from the Linux machine. It demonstrated how attackers can use this simple attack with the rubber ducky, this device, to carry out powerful attacks with very little user interaction. So let's understand first model, as we have limited time. Attackers have basically hosted a recon file. Basically, recon file is going to be used in, like, initially it contains a payload, then it's going to send the recon shadow file to the attacker. What we have to do when we plug in the rubber ducky, it's going to create a .cache file. Basically, dot extension is not recognized in the Linux, so it's going to be created in a temp file, so the user is unaware of that. Then it's going to create another file with a reco.sh, which will contain the shadow file of the victim PC. It will dump this, my script will dump the shadow file and save in the recon file. Okay, and then it's going to send to the attacker's PC with the help of netcat. As the attacker enable the netcat, he's waiting for the information. Then this attack is going to continuously send attack to the attacker. Yeah, the attacker will receive the attack. So then once the attacker receives the information shadow file of the victim, he can do whatever he wants. Let's perform this attack first to understand it better. So this is my attacker machine, this is my victim machine, already ready. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to enable the netcat listener here, which we are listening. I'm going to plug in this rubber ducky HID device here. It says, yeah, we have really limited time, but if the performance fast, let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, that's it. Every job is done, because I have coded it like just in the bash. The script is in the bash, man. The ducky script is going to just run that. That's it. So it will send information here. Yeah, here we go. We got the information. The attack has been successfully performed. See, within a few seconds, I think it won't take more than 2 seconds to perform the attack. So we have a lot of information. Shadow file has been done. Now it's going to be continuously sent. The attack, I told you the attack is persistent. So continuously every minute it's running in the cron job. Remember this? The perform checking either it's going to work or not. So, yeah, see, another time it have to send the attack. So if I scroll this up, yeah, see, another time we enable the listener and the victim PC has sent information to attacker. So let's jump into our presentation. We successfully performed the attack. So as I mentioned, that's in this attack we are dumping the shadow file, not only shadow file, but another one time it's going to be dumped for every single minute. It's going to last unless victim is not going to format his PC. Yeah, because it's going running in the on job, so it's like a schedule every minute. So we are exploiting the data, the personal data of like a shadow passwords, and then we are deleting everything. My codes delete every backtrack, so it can be not trust. So this is the payload which I have developed, like creating the file in the cache. It's like hidden file, yeah, in the temp. Then it's going to send this shadow file. Here it's going to save here and send this attacker's IP. Then it's like going to extract this file, then gone, and saving this scheduling. Kind of scheduling again and again, and like sending this back file in the original position of the pointer and removing all the backtracks. Yeah, it is. This is the key script. It should just open the terminal, execute the code, and that's it. This is the location. How it align with the MIT RV, which is the framework with the techniques, behavior, identify the attacks in the cybersecurity. This attack is performed with this HID rubber ducky device, tiny. Yeah. So this rely here. Another thing is extract credential file. This technique, yeah, precision, continuously sending on the netcat. and defensive legend, creates history and removes miscreant. Really powerful attack. The other thing is that it also comply with the CIA. I mean, it's also violate this principle, like it violate confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Both passwords are, visible to a hacker, and he got all the password, conjure, continuously sending without a user permission. System remain operational. You see, and it's not being affected, so user are unaware of this information. So how to mitigate that? How user layman or victim can be protected with this one. So if the victim is going to download these tools like rootkit, it's a tool. If we install, it's like an antivirus. It's continuously scanning for the backdoors. We right now establish a backdoor. It's continuously looking for the backdoor and the next local exploits. Another tool in the Linux is CHK rootkit. It's doing same work. The most working in the market. I do research. It says the network IDs. It's like security guard, so it's not continuously aligned. It's like these are the protect, like performing once attack is done. So this is like it's not going to allow you. Yeah, the security guard for the network. Then you can monitor how, as per the requirement of task, how you identify this one, how to view your logs continuously. You can download Wazoo SME, continuously protect your system live. You can download Spunk. You can there's plenty of more online tools. You can just install them, and you will be aware of what's happening with your PC. Now, yesterday I performed same attack in a window. There's a different evaluation, resistance, privilege, acceleration. It also identifies these kind of attacks. Password hashing, sudo. Yeah, these are really good SMEs. You can download it. Yeah. So to conclude this one, I performed the man attack. So basically I dumped the shadow file and it put it in the conjure, so that attacker can get continuously and remove all the tricks with the help of this tiny device. And how it relies the frameworks, CIAL, and like protect techniques. What other person can do, like a layman, like a victim, he can do not give his laptop to anybody. Just if he's going to give, just give this trusted person. Other than that, he can disable the root access. He can disable like HID devices, USB, etc. And if he go higher level, then Wazoo is found.